I'm Alice Mick, and in my last video, we covered what to do with old Intel-based Macs. Now, the Mac that I featured was definitely the oldest Mac that we have lying around here, so... Oh no, PowerPC-based Macs. These Macs are ancient. Leslie, you're not gonna do this to me, right?
This is called the tech we have, right?
Right. Now, for Mac users of a certain age, myself included, the PowerPC era was defining. We were rebels, empowered to think different and fight back. But the PowerPC processor just couldn't advance fast enough, leading to Intel-powered Macs. All right, let's start with my old PowerBook G4. It's a bit banged up around the edges, and the S key is loose, but this thing is still booting after 20 years. Oh my gosh, is that an expansion slot? Times have changed. Man, macOS 10.5, what a beaut. Got some old band files from bands that I was in. This software is giving me the feels. This is even a relatively recent web browser, thanks to the 10.4 Fox project, although that stopped getting updates in 2021. It's kind of a throwback curio. This G4 PowerBook is interesting. I'm really excited though about checking out the G5 PowerMac. This thing is a beast. The G5 PowerMac was introduced as the world's fastest computer. Its iconic case design, impressive expandability, and IBM-developed 64-bit PowerPC processors were revolutionary for their time. To date myself a little bit, as a teenage computer nerd, I literally dreamt of the PowerMac G5. These things were so cool. Now, 2 decades later, let's see what it can do. We've already checked out macOS on the PowerBook, but I'm really interested in you turning this bit of old iron or old aluminum into a Linux server. Linux support for PowerPC Macs used to be quite common, but most distributions stopped supporting this chip years ago. And yet, a few brave souls have continued to build for this old beast. Ubuntu's 2016 release supports PowerPC, and it's still getting extended security updates through 2026. That's right, Ubuntu Linux is still officially supporting this old PowerMac with security and bug fixes. Oh man, this thing is so cool. But is it worth to use today? No. It uses an astronomical amount of power. It's essentially a space heater. For the amount of work that it does compared to modern hardware, it's a horrible waste of power. It's loud. A lot of software doesn't compile anymore for PowerPC, even though Linux is still supporting it. And well, it's just huge and heavy. My little home server, which is a Raspberry Pi 4, drives this point home. It fits under a couch. It needs very little power, and yeah, it pretty much outperforms the PowerMac in many regards.
So you get these gadgets working yet?
Yeah, but I mean, by today's standards, it's really, really underpowered. Software support is meh. And I mean, it sucks down electricity like it's going out of style. This PowerMac G5, it's pretty much a space heater.
So, not worth it?
Yeah. I think for the first time, I'm gonna have to say it's time for the e-waste recycler.
No way.
Yes way. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, well, please hit the thumbs up button. It does a lot to grow this channel. If you have more old tech in your drawers and closets than you know what to do with, well, please subscribe. There'll be a lot more quality videos coming up. I'm Alice Mick, reminding you that yesterday's technology is gold and we can do more with the tech we have.
Unless it's a PowerPC Mac.